Welcome back to the channel, guys. What is going on? There's been so many things that have happened in this space in the past couple days. So many projects mooning left and right, and we've kind of seen a revival of the bull run. Even though Ethereum did tank in price, this is pretty much the best thing that could have happened, and I didn't think that this was going to happen. I thought that there was going to be so much fear around Ethereum price dipping that we would see a slowdown in NFTs. Now, we saw that for about one day a couple days ago, but now things are looking really good. Gas is super chill. The Ethereum price is super cheap. People are just scooping up expensive NFTs left and right. Blue chips are taking off, and it's just a really good sentiment in the market right now. So what I'm going to be going over in this video is where I see the market going, and I also want to cover some projects that I'm going to be pretty excited to mint. And I also want to talk about a few other things towards the end of the video. But guys, make sure to stay tuned and make sure to go subscribe down below, guys. We're growing so fast, so make sure to also go like the video, go comment down below. Guys, I'm going to be giving away 0.1 Ethereum in this video, so all you have to do is go subscribe down below and go comment your Ethereum address down below, and I'll be selecting a winner in the next video. I'll send you guys the Ethereum live on the video, so that'll be all cool. But guys, let's go ahead and get started in the video. There's so much to cover. So just to start off with the volume, I haven't done this in a while, but the volume has been so substantial that I have to cover it. Now we can see here, literally today, $220 million in volume, guys. This is one of the biggest days in NFT history, and if I'm not wrong, this is like the second most volume we've ever seen in NFT history. Now we can go back earlier in the week, and we can just see that, you know, there was a huge cooldown in NFT volume, and it just completely cut down like a third. So that was pretty insane. People were kind of getting scared with like what's gonna happen with NFTs, and then obviously NFTs proved themselves. You know, we had a great stable day with gas and stable Ethereum price, and then guys, it just exploded, and it's still just completely exploding. And I could see this happening for the next couple days, and this does have to do a lot with these big projects that are dropping left and right, and tons of people are minting. The aftermarket sales are going completely wild, so that has to do a lot with that. Now, and there's so many big hype projects coming up that I think that this can be sustained for a good amount of time, as long as Ethereum is pretty chilled out. You know, it's not too volatile, and the gas fees are pretty chill. Now, you know, what we usually see is like a few weeks of a period where, you know, Ethereum is just pretty chill. So I think that is pretty possible. Now, when we go to the OpenSea top 100, we can just see, guys, like, this is wild. This entire anime and like waifu anime type of meta that's happening right now is just making the volume go wild, and a lot of credit needs to be given to Azuki. They've just created a big surge of volume and new buyers for this anime trend. And you know, I'm hearing it left and right that, you know, there's this new anime trend is from, you know, the Chinese New Year coming up, you know, China, you know, making NFTs legal now, and then just all these other things with like even new Asian people coming into the market and all this stuff. And you know, Asian influencers are pushing NFTs hard. You know, there's many different things. But guys, overall, I just think a big part of the NFT community is fans of anime, and like, you know, there's a lot of gamers and anime people in the NFT community, so I think that has a lot to do with it. Now, I think this can be sustained for a little bit of time. You know, it's always going to be there, but with this huge hype trend behind it, I don't think this can last forever. So definitely just keep your eye on that. So for the first project I want to cover for today that I think is going to do really well, I have covered this project before. This one's called Clementines Nightmare. Now, there's been a lot of hype behind this project. There's a lot of people that really want to mint this project. And just overall, throughout the entire community, this project is spoken about in alpha groups and all that good stuff. This one is going to be a play and earn NFT game. This is going to have some really cool mechanics behind it, and they have a really impressive team. There's a lot of different things in this project, and there's a really solid team behind this project. And I did speak to the founder multiple times, and this one is a really solid hold for me. This is pretty much like all you want to see in an NFT gaming project, and it kind of feels like you're investing into a gaming company other than like investing into an NFT project, if you know what I mean. Because a lot of these NFT gaming projects, they're not going to really, you know, be there for the long term. They're going to get washed away. They're going to get diluted. So this is one definitely to keep on your guys' watch list. Now for the next project here, we have the other side, guys. This project has had a lot of hype also. They have that closed Discord, which, you know, kind of creates a lot of demand in the project. And guys, just overall, this is looking like a really solid pick. They have like tons of partnerships and all this stuff. And guys, this art is obviously super cool, super unique, and it's super high res, as you guys can see. And it's a little bit different from what we've seen, but it definitely fits the trend. It definitely fits what's popping in the market right now. So this is something I definitely like. But guys, with this project, they're really aiming for the fashion direction. I spoke to the team. That's where they really want to be big in, that entire niche. And there's definitely tons of potential in the NFT fashion space, and it's definitely very new. So let's see where this one goes, guys. But definitely for now, you know, they have been exploding really fast. So definitely want to keep your eye on for sure, and definitely going to be a really good flip. So keep your eyes on this one, guys. Now, the next project here, we have the cartoons. This one I was able to find very early on, and I do like the art. It fits the meta 100%. This cute cartoonish art we can see here. And guys, they do have the cartoon's name, which, you know, guys, you gotta admit that is pretty cool. And they have their website here. They're really aiming for that simplistic branding, simplistic look. And it is still pretty early on to get into this project. Like, they were very, very small, literally like a couple days ago. So this is definitely one to keep your eye on, guys. And obviously with this project, they do have a locked Discord. And again, this one is really new, so there's going to be tons of opportunity. And guys, with all these projects, you guys are going to have really good opportunities to get whitelisted for. So obviously keep your eye on that. There's many different ways you guys can get whitelisted for these projects. I say and I advise to just be really creative, be different from everyone else, because a lot of people are probably just in the chat all day, just typing. Guys, getting into it, the Twitter has been growing insane, and it hasn't just been me, it's been a lot of other people that I've been watching. And now, why I'm saying this is because I think this is an indicator that there's just tons of new people entering in the NFT space. There's tons of new people trying to discover and learn what NFTs are. So obviously, I'm trying to be as careful as I can with what I say, trying to be as transparent as possible, because there's a ton of new people entering the space. But guys, you know, this is pretty insane. Like, the growth I've been seeing on myself and the growth I've been seeing with other people, other creators, other contributors to the NFT space, it's been wild. So obviously, with tons of new people coming into the NFT space, that means there's going to be tons of new opportunities. So with all this new demand, you know, there is a lot of supply with these NFT projects, but the ones that everyone flocks to, they're going to blow up even more than we've ever seen before. Now, you know, we have the hype bears and like the squiggles and like all these other projects like Invisible Friends, imaginary ones. You guys know that whole list of these extremely hype projects, like even Tasty Bones. But guys, I think that these huge projects, these bigger projects, if you can get whitelisted for them, they're going to be really good for a flip. I don't know about long term for these overhyped projects, but guys, it's a crazy market. That's all I gotta say. But guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure to go like this video down below. Tell me how you guys like it in the comments and all that, and make sure to go subscribe down below. And guys, we're about to hit 100K on Twitter, which is so wild, guys. We literally started like 5 months ago. You guys can go check my old YouTube videos and stuff. I had like 100 followers. It's insane how far we've gone. So guys, you know, just go ahead and follow the Twitter while you're at it. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.